Good morning. It's day 5. 5 miles today. This is my wake up view. The lake is right on the other side of the trees there, down a dune. It's looking pretty dark and cloudy this morning. Yeah. Those stairs were our morning wake up, our morning workout, our morning whatever. I'm still catching my breath. Man, I just need to come and do those a couple times a day. Good morning. It's our 5th day. I think I managed my sodium a lot better. Either that or it was the 6 liters of water I drank. My face is not looking like it's going to explode this morning, but it is day 5. And Lazy and I just finished a heck of a climb. Stairs and then just kind of not like a steep climb, but just a long, gradual climb. And we're on the other side of it now, according to the hikers that just passed me. So that's super exciting. And it's beautiful in here. Oh, he made it. There he is. And then the lake is still on the right-hand side, and I still have Mr. Dragon. Not sure what I'm gonna call him yet, but if you have any ideas, my dragonfly, I kind of like Mr. Dragon, though I keep calling him that, but let me know in the comments if you have a great name, because this is gonna be my hiking buddy, I think, and hopefully I can protect him, because he's a little flimsy. But all right, I'm gonna turn you around for a second and just let you see this beautiful trail, and we're busting out 5 miles today. Gonna take you to Miners Beach, and final destination is Miners Castle, where we will pick up our shuttle. Just lovely, nice and flat, soft sand, massaging the feet through the woods. It's just amazing on this lake. If you see, I'm standing on a rock. It's just, and there's sand. There's the beach. But then I just came a few steps out, and now I'm just standing on this rock in the lake that's just smooth. It's not slippery. It's been smoothed out by the waves right here, the way the waves come in. It's washed all the sand away and just smooth rock here, and then there's sand right there. Hazy day. And then Lazy's this is my second snake on the trail, but the first one that I was able to get video of. Look at how pretty he is.
All right, are you ready for the video of how Lazy Boy reacts to a snake?
No, leave him alone.
No, I'm not touching him. You think I'm going anywhere near? Here, watch.
Yeah, that snake is like crazy humans. I'm down to the last mile of this trip. And so I'm right near Miners Castle, which is a big tourist spot. And then people walk back here. And so there's probably past just 10 different groups of people going by me. And the smell of soap is so strong from everybody because they're so clean. And it's amazing. Anybody that's been out in the woods knows how strong that smell is when you've been out for a few days and you come back in. Pretty wild. This is known as Miners Castle. It's one of the bigger tourist attractions here in Munising, and it gets its name from an English fur trader, rumored pilot Alexander Henry's employees, who were sent to explore the area for minerals in 1771. They never found any minerals, but the name Miner kept referencing the rock formation, so now it is known today as Miners Castle. Now we are getting off here at Miners Castle and picked up by the shuttle. However, it's not definitively the end of this trail as far as along the Pictured Rocks, which normally ends along Munising Falls Visitor Center, which is where we parked. And that right there on your right is where we would have continued on the trail if we weren't getting off at this point. We started at the Grand Sable Visitor Center and walked all along the lakeshore down to Miners Castle, doing a total of 35 miles out of the 42 miles along the Pictured Rocks Lakeshore Trail.